Icon Rocklear versus paint protection film. Is a single layer of Icon Rocklear as effective as paint protection film at preventing road debris damage? Short answer, no. While Icon Rocklear is significantly thicker and stronger than ceramic coatings, a single layer of Icon Rocklear is not as effective as paint protection film on preventing road debris damage. A single layer of Icon Rocklear can achieve a thickness of up to 2.5 mils, while most professional paint protection films range from 7 to 9 mils thick. However, Icon Rocklear was engineered with the ability to be layered, which allows the coating to build thickness and strength. The application of 3 to 4 layers of Icon Rocklear can achieve similar protection qualities of paint protection film. Plus, if PPF is damaged, it must be removed and reinstalled by the technician at the customer's expense. If Icon Rocklear is damaged, it can be fixed with a paint correction or reinstallation to the impacted panels. The cost of repairing Icon Rocklear versus replacing paint protection film is significantly less for Icon Rocklear customers. So can you install PPF on top of Icon Rocklear? The answer? Absolutely yes. In fact, when you have a certified Icon Rocklear installer, apply our paint protection coating on the entire vehicle, then install PPF on high impact areas of your vehicle, like the hood, bumper, fenders, and front mirrors. That represents the best way to protect your entire vehicle from scratches, environmental exposure, and front-end road debris. Alternatively, you can ask your Icon Rocklear installer about adding additional layers of Icon Rocklear to those high impact areas, which will likely be more affordable than adding paint protection film. For optimal results, we'd recommend 3 to 4 layers on these high impact areas and a single layer on all the other painted sections of your vehicle. If you'd like to learn more about Icon Rocklear or connect with a certified installer in your area, please visit iconrocklear.com.